Everything that is happening inside the body, every moment, is being done for us by the intelligence of nature. We have very little control over our physiological processes, which are manifestations of cosmological powers that are operating inside all living things. Now, we can discover these powers very easily. We can discover that the warmth of the body is the activity of sunlight in our cells. We can easily feel how our breathing is biological unity with the atmosphere and that we are breathing together with plants, or the pulsation of the heart is part of all of the pulsations around us of circadian rhythms and cycles of day and night and moon and seasons. Now, when we discover this inner landscape of these cosmological powers, we have discovered the chakra system. So I would like to invite you to my new course, The Healing Chakras. And this is a full-day immersive program that is happening on Saturday, January 13th. Now, the chakra system is a very ancient view of the body and the source of many different spiritual practices and teachings. But the essential teaching is that the body is the source, the location of our enlightenment, where consciousness undergoes purification to realize its divine nature. Now, the energy centers, the chakras, are not Buddhist or Hindu or Taoist or Tantric. They are simply where mind and matter meet, where consciousness intersects with the cosmological powers of nature inside the body. And therefore, we can explore the chakras and their energies and develop them without duplicating the symbolism or mythologies of other cultures in a way that's completely body-based. And if we do this, we find great benefits. Simply directing the attention in a focused way inwardly helps to circulate the prana and chi through the body, and blockages begin to open and relax. The nervous system becomes more relaxed, our meditation deepens, our immune system gets stronger, and we begin to experience a change in our perception of ourselves, and we begin to feel physically that we are connected to everything, and we start to realize our inherent divinity, because we can actually feel the presence of the cosmological powers in all the body sensations. And we can increase these benefits when we add herbs and aromatics into these meditations and studies and learn how to direct them into the specific centers. And this is why I'm calling this course The Healing Chakras, because we'll be using methods to support and enhance the healthy functions of these physiological and spiritual centers. Now, one of the most important objectives that I have in teaching this course is to discover the true nature of the chakra system through our own inner exploration, rather than trying to superimpose cultural practices on the body in meditation. And so in closing, here is a simple yet mysterious teaching from 1,000 years ago that gives us a clue as to how we can study the essence of the chakras. The channels of the body are said to be like a house. The vital essences of the body are the wealth in the house. The currents of life force, the prana and chi moving through the physical and the subtle nervous systems, are the owner who lives in the house. And so in the healing chakras, we will explore and answer three primary questions. How can we strengthen the essences of the body, our true wealth? How can we strengthen the foundation and structure of the house? And most importantly, who is the owner of the house? So I hope you can join me for this important and very meaningful course of study and practice.